In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Weebly website without publishing it, and we'll do it all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're tweaking text, updating images, or refining your layout, sometimes you need to save your progress without pushing your updates live. It's super handy when you're not quite ready for the world to see your changes. So let's dive in and make this process as seamless as possible. First, you'll need to log in to your Weebly account. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and type in your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your websites on Weebly's dashboard page. Here, it's important to identify the specific site you want to make changes to. Click on it to dive deeper into the editing interface. Now, as you start working on your site, you want to ensure every change is made with assurance that nothing will go live just yet. For each change, whether it's changing your background image or adjusting the size of your font for better readability, click the Done button on any element after you modify it. This button is crucial as it confirms your changes are noted by the Weebly system. Without pressing it for each edited element, you might find yourself losing updates you thought were locked in. A nice feature that Weebly provides is an auto-save function. As you work through your site, you'll notice an auto-save message pop up momentarily next to the undo and redo buttons found at the top of the editor interface. This is Weebly's way of reassuring you that your changes are being automatically saved in the backend as you move along, even though they're not live yet. It's a great tool that allows you the freedom to walk away and come back without any worries of losing progress, perfect for keeping all elements of your site intact before making them public. In sum, by logging in, selecting your site, confirming each individual change with the Done button, and trusting the autosave feature, you can improve and refine your website over time without instantly pushing it live for your audience. It's all about enhancing the way you work on Weebly, focusing on precision and readiness before hitting that publish button. With these steps, you'll be well equipped to manage your online space efficiently. And there you have it. Saving your Weebly website without publishing is as easy as that. Remember, your changes are safe until you're ready, giving you the ultimate freedom to update with confidence. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to check out our other guides for more tips on mastering online platforms.